Hello my people, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. So today I'm showing you around. So this road is the road where we are fetching water. So welcome to my channel. In case you are new here, feel at home. Welcome to the channel. For the returning sub, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Stay blessed and enjoy the video till end. So we are touring. This road is the one taking us to where we get our water. I see people. Kuweza mno. Kwa nini? Tuko tu hapa. Haya. Randi. Kwani Mangoti si ndio mwana angendi? Impossible. So I'm greeting my people, my neighbors. So this one is the shop. Oh, yep. Yes, this is where we get our water. We don't buy water in Africa. So this is where we get water. Ningoje hapo juu. Yeah, this is where we get our water. Right now it's raining, so it's not that pure. It's raining. So here it's where we get our water. And this one is chlorine from the government. So this is where we get our water. We got this side. Yes. And this one, people harvest here sand. But today they have, I think, they have not started harvesting sand. So this one is my girl. Fanya hivi. Tunaenda na njia gani? Huku. So tuende huku.
Hiyo simu bado ni mpya?
Ni ya kitambo.
Na hiyo receipt huko nyuma.
Si receipt iko.
Lakini organize hata kama tutapata ndaka kumkopere kwa kwa ole no kirikuzi.
Aya sawa.
Wala jana ni simu.
Tutaonana. Poa. Sawa. Another day. There is water here. I don't know where it's coming from. The source of this water, I don't know. The village is cool. So the roads are being, is it constructed or what? Not they have poor in what? Maram. Wira. Raw and uncut village vibe. So this one is my village, Kigadahi village. Kigadahi village. The trees. There is water here. I think it's coming up there. It is watery. It's about to rain. So this one is village low, raw and cut. Huh? Hung. Here I find this one is a Kamin shop in the village. This one, but it's closed. See the nature. This one is Napier grass. This one is our road. Our road. So this one is another route. Another route. Village vibe. We are from this side. So we are going this side. We are going this side. The last time I was here was 5 years ago. So the roads were not like this. The roads were very, very, very tiny. Going back home. Going back home. Here I think they are preparing it. No, they removed cassavas. So I think they will plant the maize after cassavas. They will plant the maize. So. You see, they have harvested cassavas. I think, yes. They have harvested cassavas. Mtu amenunua hii shamba. Kamera yangu imekataa kufanya. Hii simu inafaa niende nili. Sema hi. The kids are wondering what am I doing. Oh, hapa sasa si hii naijua sasa ni. Oh, nilikuwa nimesahau hii iko. We, madoshiga bimugirisha. Ongora ganji. Tupitie hapa. Jairana. Puira. Village vibe. we are still in the village. Kemore kekifani kitindi no. Wandu wagenaza kwenyaki. We, watu wanashangaa tu tunatafuta nini na masimu. Oi. Inakuwa ni noma. Hiki ni nyumba. Ni nyumba yake. Wira, hii ni nyumba yake. Licha bana. Kwani nini egorofa. Alfayo, ama hivi bakuranga, wasi bakuranga alfayo. It's planting season or what? Kupalilia inaitwaje kwa Kizungu? Mniambie hapo kwa comment section. Everywhere is maize beans. Yes, everywhere is the same. Maize beans. So this one is our tiny road. We want to go to the other end. So we are passing here as we go to the other end. The road is very tiny. So we are going to the center, our center. Oi. Na hapa tunapitaje Gracia? Utaruka? Mimi sitaki kukanyaga maji. No. It's very slippery. So people are harvesting what? This one is sand. The sand is from this source of water. So they're harvesting sand. So we are crossing to the other end. I don't know if I'm going to jump here. But let me try. My girl is trying. Aya. This one is loam soil. This soil they used to make pots with it, like this one. Pots. So this one can make a very good pot. But nowadays, those people who are making pots, they died. Our grandparents, they are no longer there. They died all. We just have few. I think 2. So that is it. We have crossed. Now we are at our center. So this one is our center. Kuna huyu mwanamke hapa. Mkora huyu. Huyu.
Erina. Ya masiku. Niko tu hapo.
Huyu mwanamke ni mkora.
Iko hapo.
Sasa polisi itakuaje huku Kigadai?
Kwa nini ni vibaya?
At our police station. Mimi sijui, sijasema ni vibaya. Sasa hii ni Kigadai Market Center, si ndio? This one is our market center. Tunajiajiri. Kiko orange. Naki. Kuibo ibisube mdi no mbara ati mbolavura. Gakube kandi cho.
Owesa, mana mafana nakandi paka.
Nabwa.
Uo menu.
Divish.
Paka naye andewa. Najua siku hizi ulikumbuki.
Kiko, Our market center. Tembea kama mtu bwana. It's about to rain. To fall. I think it's in the center of the road, I think. So they will get it out. So the road is it's not constructed, but they're adding some marams because it's a tarmac road. You see how smooth it is, so it's on construction. So yes, this one is my village. People are like, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Avocado tree. See oh, I don't know if the camera is clear. Sweet potatoes. It's the Salvation Army Church. This one is our branch. This one is a Nyanza village, another village. So where they are constructing there, the end of Kigada village. So this one is Nyanza village. This one is another village. Another village. I'm going to visit my auntie. I don't know if I'll reach there, but let's see. She's at that where you're seeing a person with blue, the mango tree. That's where I'm going, and I'm from Kigadai. So this one is a Nyanza village. So this one is what Kenya Rural Road Authority. So this one is rural, and they are constructing roads. This one is the junction. This road is going to Liavola village. This one Nyanza village. So this one, and this one is from Kigadai. So yes, let me see if I can see my aunt, the sister to my mom. So guys, I'm at my auntie's place, and she's not there. I got the grandchildren, and they were working here. So here they are. We saw an avocado.
Oh.
So
kwani kila mtu alikuwa na mahali pake pa kumalizia.
Requested them to get some. So here is the girl.
So the avocado.
I'm getting avocados from this tree. Though it's very far, and she's a girl. Here in the village, kids are climbing the trees. Either if it's a girl or a boy, they're doing that. So here we are, and thank you so much for watching my video. Stay blessed. If you have watched until the end, may God bless you and stay blessed. So thank you so much, and bye bye. Have a great day ahead. Enjoy as the kids are doing the activities, because the schools are closed, so they're helping parents to do so.